How to set the default search engine to Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Search. Next, we go down and tap on Search Engine. From the list here, you can select Google Search, Yahoo Search, Bing Search, DuckDuckGo Search, or Ecosia. So from the list here, select one of your favorite search engine to use. So by default, it is set to Yahoo. And if you like to use Bing or DuckDuckGo, you can do so. So select that option. Then we tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.